a sensation piece of goal. This is from Gustavo Willian there against Pahiyada. There is a stunning piece of strike there in the first half extra minute there. And what a signing this proof has to be for Chelsea. And what a season he's having there. Wonderful game. Wonderful season there indeed. Absolutely wonderful to see him performing like this. So that's it. Stay tuned for the series updates from this is a stunning piece of goal from and so what a strike, what a sensation is this. So this is from Gustavo Willian there against Bahia there. Great finishes from him and what a goal, what a sensation piece of goal this one. So stay tuned for the series updates from man and what a sensation piece of chances for the Brazilian league there. So I'll give you lots of updates and lots of games updates are in the end, and this is stunning piece of goal from the Chelsea new man there. And what a game, what a sensation piece of